Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to you on Business Today Television on Market Today. This is the last 1.5 hour wheel of the markets on Thursday, which is also the monthly expiry day for the Nifty. It's the triple witching for futures options for both indices, the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, and several others. But it's turning out to be a good day. The index at the moment is 0.5% higher, 23,610. There was a bit of a profit booking yesterday, but given the fact that we are on the monthly expiry, plus we are also approaching the penultimate day of trading as far as the financial year FY 2025 is concerned. Therefore, you have a lot of hectic activity on the long side. Remember, on Monday, the markets are shut because of Eid ul-Fitr. Therefore, tomorrow is the last day of FY 24-25 trading, and that's also the reason why you see a lot of hectic activity from mutual funds as far as their net asset value is concerned. Volumes are super good today. Let's get into the broader markets. The Nifty, as I have told you, is at 23,610. The Bank Nifty for the moment is trading with gains as well, 0.686% higher, 51,647. And that means that out of 12 shares in the Bank Nifty, 9 are in the green. And it's a day of positivity as far as many other indices are concerned. We tracked 19 for you, 17 indices are in the green. The maximum gains are in the banking space. Therefore, the Nifty PSU Banking Index is 1.5% higher. The Nifty Financial Services Index is 1% higher, and then I mentioned the Nifty Bank. Overall, the advance decline ratio in the markets is even Stevens. 1,350 shares are in the green, 1,150 are in the red. So that's almost 1:1. Now I'll request the PCR to please fire the longer term chart of 1 month, which is for the Nifty. The index is up 6.7% since 3rd of March. Or from February 28th, which was the previous month's closing. This 6.7% gain is the best gain since 2019 March. So, in 5 years, we've had the best March. And let me just get you another very, very interesting data. In December of 2023, the index Nifty rose 7.9%. So, after December 2023, March 2025 is the best month. And that, ladies and gentlemen, signifies a lot of positivity as far as the broader markets are concerned. We are looking at possibly a better April, given that we are also headed into the 4th quarter earnings season. Now, let's talk about volumes. On NSE 500, there are many shares where the average volume has crossed 1,700 crore rupees, which is the normal trading volume in a day, but it's just 2 p.m. 2:10 almost, and we have Bombay Stock Exchange trading at 2,700 crores. They've announced a bonus again, 4.5% higher at 4,688. There is a massive sell-off in Capri Global for some reason, 13% lower, and about 2,250 crores worth of Capri Global has been traded. HDFC Bank is in the green, 1.8% higher, 1,800 crores has been traded. Then there are 3 losers, JB Pharma, Tata Motors and Zomato. 1,100, 1,700 and 1,800 crores worth of shares have been traded. Reliance in the green, Mazgaon and Hindustan Aeronautics also in the green. So, it's a fairly hectic activity as far as trades are concerned. Any all-time highs in the market? Yes, Chambal Fertilizers. And how about 52-week highs? There will be many. Okay. Shree Cement, 1.2% higher. This is a high ticket item, 30,293. And Awas Financiers, 1.6% higher, 2,046. So, that's the state of play as far as 52-week highs and all-time highs are concerned. Let me just go through the circuits if there are any. Okay. I'll definitely mark Walchand Nagar. This is a defense play. They are into a lot of nuclear projects as also submarines, 5% higher at 159.84. Any other name that I would like to take on air? EPAC. This is 5% higher, 351, and these are the only two names that I would like to take on air as far as upper circuits are concerned. Let us pay attention to volume buzzers in NSE 500. Okay, JB Pharma and Chemicals, about 1 crore 10 lakh shares have been traded, the counter is down 5.3%, and the volume is 86 times the 5-day average. Anything of interest that I would like to mark? Yes, MMTC. This is a PSU stock, 56.3 rupees, 7.4% higher, and about 6 times the 5-day average has been traded. You have Newgen Software, which is a high beta counter. You have VIP Industries, NBCC, Akums Drugs, Adani Energy Solutions. All of them are showing a nice spurt in volume as far as Thursday's trade is concerned. Now, let us do a very simple exercise. Let me just take you through the F&O route, and I like to mark lots of gainers as far as the F&O expiry is concerned. Just allow me a moment. Mostly this takes a little bit of time to get the software working. Just a moment. I will have to open some other software. 1 second. Oh, okay. Let me just do this on another software. We are basically looking at top winners for the F&O space for the month of March, which is turned out to be an excellent month. Okay, yes. Hindustan Aeronautics is up 34%. Futures of Adani Energy Solution and Adani Green are up 30% and 22%. So, there is a lot of presence of defense counters. Look at BEL, this is also a Nifty stock, 22% higher at 301. I will request the PCI to please fire the monthly charts, so that people can understand that we are talking about monthly gains in the month of March. Now, look at HUDCO, 22% higher at 201.62. This is amongst the top 10 performers of the F&O space. We have HPCL up 22%, Poonawalla FinCorp up 19%. In fact, there are at least 70-80 futures that are up more than 10% in the month of March. So, you can well imagine as to how the rally has changed in terms of sentiment for the positivity, and we are moving with these kind of gains into April. Again, these gains have come back after a 5-month delay. The markets had peaked as far as the Nifty is concerned in September, late September, 26,200, and it had gone all the way back to 21,900 till 3rd of March. That is a 17% correction. You see that all in your screen, and we are also looking at the Midcap and the Small Cap index correcting about 22-23% in the same duration. So, lots of changes have happened in those indices as well. Let me just go through the NSE 100 Midcap top gainers for the month of March. Again, there is defense all the way. Look at Bharat Dynamics. In the last 1 month, it is up 35%. Mazgaon makes an appearance again, 26% higher in the last 22 trading sessions. MRPL has added 20%. Again, I will request the PCI to kindly fire the 1 month chart, so people can gauge how the rally has moved as far as gains are concerned. And then you have winners like AB Capital, 18% higher. Tata Communications at 1593 is also up 18%. This was earlier known as VSNL. Then we have a power and lignite producer, NLC India. This is a high beta low ticket item, 241. In the last 1 month, this stock has gained 16.5%. Then you have Suzlon, you have L&T Finance up between 14%. Apollo Tyres has added 14%. So these are top performers in the NSE Midcap 100. How about the Small Cap 100? We are doing a wrap up of the entire month. Garden Reach. So look at the way how defense has come back in the last 1 month. You have Mazgaon, HAL, Garden Reach, BDL, Cochin Shipyard, all up between 14 to 30-35%, and that's ladies and gentlemen a very, very strong comeback. NCC Limited is up 19%. In fact, the top performing small cap stock is Chennai Petro, up 38% in the past month to 625. So that's the gains that we are looking at as far as markets are concerned. What ahead? Ladies and gentlemen, I think the worst is behind us, and in this last 15-17 sessions, we must have covered somewhere like 10 different kinds of funds depending upon your needs: flexi cap funds, hybrid funds, mid cap funds, all of them top quality assets which have given phenomenal returns and created immense shareholder wealth, have a fabulous track record in terms of navigating volatility, and now present an opportunity to buy them at 15-20% lower. This again, as I repeat, is for the long term wealth creators a wonderful opportunity to get back into the market at a lower level and create long term wealth via systematic investment plans. Some of the funds that we've specifically collated are from the mid cap space. Yes, the volatility in that space is very high, but these are quality funds which have navigated such volatility in the last 15-20 years, and in that process created supernormal wealth for their unit holders. All that you have to do is not get shaken by this downturn that's in the market. This also will disappear, and then add these funds, start fresh SIPs or make new ones, and invest over a period of 7 to 8 years if you are a mid cap, if you are an investor who likes mid caps. With that, we'll call it a day, ladies and gentlemen. The month of March has been something which has been phenomenal as far as Indian equities are concerned. Millions and millions of people had lost hope with continuous selling between September and February, month on month. Some of that confidence is back, at least in the minds of deep long term investors, where cash has been deployed. A lot of mutual funds were sitting on tons and tons of cash. SIPs were coming in on a monthly basis. They had also booked profit. So that money has slowly come back into the market from 3rd of March onwards. And that is the reason why you see the Nifty on its own is up 6.7%. Bank Nifty is up 5.2%. The mid cap and the small cap indices have posted double digit gains in the month of March so far. Let me just give you those details. This is the seasonality. This is the mid cap 100 index up 4%, and the small cap 100 index would also be up to a similar amount. So these are the kind of rallies that have happened, and of course you've had new highs on ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finserv, SRF, and one more, Chambal Fertilizers. These are the top performers as far as all time highs are concerned, and momentum is back in the market. Value buying continues, and of course both interest and sentiment have improved for the better. Thank you for watching. The final half an hour will begin at 3 p.m. Please do join us on Business Today Television.
Get ready for the grand finale. After electrifying events in Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Chandigarh, Kolkata, Hyderabad and Bengaluru, corporate